Here's how to set your main compartment locks on your NOBL all-in-one carry-on. Start with both locks at 000. Use a pen to switch the reset button from off to set inside of the lock. Repeat this on the other lock. Now it's time to change both codes on each lock from 000 to your own personal code. Now go back to the inside of the lock and switch the reset button from set to off. Repeat this for the other side. Now lock your suitcase by scrambling both codes. Unlock with your code left side and then right side. NOBL Travel. Secure, simple, done.